Hi everyone, this is my first video on the YouTube and I want to start with something good, and that is ServiceNow. You already know that it is a big upcoming boom that everyone is getting the ServiceNow certifications like CSA and CAD. So I want to explain you that is what is ServiceNow. To the one who don't know about ServiceNow is a powerful cloud-based platform that is designed to automate and manage enterprise workflows and across various departments including IT, HR, customer service, and security. Like instead of using disconnected spreadsheets and emails, organizations used to streamline requests, track issues, and connect different systems in one place. So this is like a definition. So how it works? As its core, ServiceNow functions as a central command center for daily business operations. It provides a shared database where data regarding people, processes, and company assets are unified. Built-in automation and artificial intelligence, that is AI, route tasks, trigger approvals, and resolve routine issues without manual intervention. The key solutions and modules are: ServiceNow offers pre-built applications designed to tackle specific business needs like IT service management, ITSM, and employee service management, customer service management, CSM, integrated risk management, IRM, so on. Like, why enterprises use it? The main question you may be asking me, why enterprises use it? Like, most of the Fortune 500 companies use the platform because it serves as a central hub, and it's very efficient, AI integrated, and flexible. So to know more about ServiceNow, you have to check out the ServiceNow itself. Go to the Google and type this servicenow.com, and you will be directed to this window where you are seeing this, the servicenow.com, and you can see there are many options: products, industries, learning, support, partners, company means when you create an account it will be shown as your company, and you will be doing your application building and etc in there. And in the knowledge, you will be sending to a portal where you will be having the every detail that is till now stored in the ServiceNow or stored by the ServiceNow, and every new you have to log in with your ServiceNow mail. That is, you have to create a mail. So for this, creating how an account, setting up an account, and further discussions we'll be doing in the next video. And one of the important thing I want to say is the ServiceNow is mainly having the certification exams like CSA, that is Certified System Administrator, and CAD, that is CAD, Certified Application Developer. So many colleges are integrated with the ServiceNow, and the ServiceNow people provide the certification exams for the colleges. Mainly these two certifications are done by the students from the selected people of the college. And to know more about the CSA and CAD, I'll be doing in the next videos. And until then, stay tuned and thank you. And please do subscribe and comment what are your opinions and what you need to know about the ServiceNow, and anything other than the ServiceNow what you want to know. I can try to upload the videos upon the comments you place. And also do subscribe and also follow me on Instagram, like, share. Bye.